Bibingka is a traditional delicacy here in the Philippines, and this recipe is passed by from generation to generation. Many want to innovate while others stick to the original recipe. So as the students of BSHM, we want to create an innovation with this kind of delicacy that showcasing that other sources can also compete in the market. Good day, sir. Everyone, I am Rhea C. Arevalo, together with my partner, Maeve C. Agardo. We present to you our innovative products inspired from bibingka itself, the kamote bibingka topped with salted fish. In this presentation, we have 4 contents. It includes plan, source, make, and delivery. So the reason why we came up with this product is that kamote and salted fish is very abundant here in the Philippines, especially here in the Palampons, and available in every market. So by these innovative products, not just the farmers who can have these benefits, but also the fishermen. By incorporating 2 ingredients, which is the food crops and seafood, it can enhance their source of income. The primary focus of this business is to give attribution and attention to the primary laborers. The main goal is to ensure that their products undergo with innovation, making it a source of pride for them to strive in farming and fishing. This innovation not only supports the fishermen and the farmers, but also it contributes to the overall improvement of the economic well-being. Checking inventory is very important as it ensures that you have all the necessary items before starting a task, and it prevents the delays. So here is the basic inventory checklist for the kamote bibingka topped with salted fish. We have the kamote, the sweet potato, the rice flour, baking powder, yeast, vanilla extract, coconut oil, white sugar, banana leaves, and salted fish. So, in ordering raw materials, our primary and major sources are the fishermen and the farmers. So as we focus on the sweet potato and salted fish, so the goal is we connect them as a direct suppliers and come up with an expensive budget. Tools and equipments are necessary for the successful of the product, and they are easy to purchase in the market. So here are the list of the necessary tools and equipment that used in our product, the kamote bibingka topped with salted fish. And so we have the kagoran, galingan, oven, molders, a mixing bowl, strainer, weighing scale, ladle, and kitchen tray. Raw materials are in the following. We have the kamote or the sweet potato, dried fish, salt, rice, baking powder, white sugar, yeast, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, coconut, and coconut milk. In the process of material inspection, several crucial steps are undertaken before the actual inspection, commonly referred to as the pre-inspection steps. Capturing photos or videos are recommended upon receiving the material receipt. So before initiating the physical inspection, it is imperative to review the project specification first to understand the set tolerances and to ensure that the received materials are aligned with the project requirements. So for number 4, the physical condition of material. So it undergo with the sampling process and applying a specific criteria to determine the fitness for production. And confirming make and manufacture of the materials is a crucial as it lies the quality of the products as well as the certification. So the materials or the manufacturer must have the certification to ensure that they complied the specified standards. So once materials pass inspection, we must check also the storage requirements. So with proper marking and tagging and possibly the photo requirements to document materials in their designated storage location. With this comprehensive approach, it ensures the thorough and effective material inspection process, preventing issues and ensuring the quality throughout the supply chain.
At this point, let us discuss about how to make the kamoting bibingka topped with salted fish. So, make means here in the production process to batch, unit, mass, and continuous production. A production process is a method of using economic input or resources like labor, capital equipment, or land to provide goods and services to consumers. So, in the production process of kamoting bibingka topped with salted fish, here are some of the procedures. First is to preheat the oven for 30 minutes in a medium range heat. And then for the rice flour, it is primary made from a rice or grains, sugar that is used to sweeten the agents, then to add and to achieve the desired sweetness of the product. A pinch of salt is commonly added to balance the sweetness. Then sweet potato, this is cooked and mixed with rice flour, and then salted fish for toppings. For butter mixing, we have the rice flour is combined with sweet potato, coconut milk, sugar, and salt in a mixing bowl to form a smooth batter. The consistency should be thick but pourable. Banana leaf preparation. So you have to prepare the banana leaf 1 day ahead or a day ahead of the time before preparing the product. So molding and pouring, the banana leaves are lined inside molds or pans. The bibingka then pour into these molds, ensuring an even distribution. And for the toppings, you just have to fry the salted fish and slice into dice, then top on the bibingka. We have two categories in product inspection. First, the QAF, or the Quality Assurance in the Food Industry, meaning to defect prevention. Second, Quality Control in the Food Industry for defect identification. So product inspection, the function is to ensure the quality and consistency of the product during the production process. It involves a systematic inspection at various key stages. First, a meticulous check of all ingredients is imperative, verifying the freshness and adherence to quality standards. The inspection extends to the equipment used in the production, ensuring cleanliness and proper functionality. In banana leaves, their quality is assessed to guarantee cleanliness and integrity. Throughout the mixing phase, attention is given to the batter's consistency, checking for any irregularities that may affect the final texture. Toppings, such as salted fish, undergo scrutiny to ensure even distribution. So monitoring the baking process is critical, with a focus on achieving the desired color and texture without overcooking. Upon completion, a final inspection assesses the bibingka's color, texture, and overall appearance. Thorough records of each batch, including ingredients, production steps, and any deviations, are kept to facilitate quality control and continuous improvement. Incorporating these inspection steps ensures that each batch of bibingka meets the desired standards of quality and taste, providing a consistent and delightful product for consumers. So let us continue. We are now in the packaging product. So eco-friendly paper boxes are our choice to be the best packaging for the product. This is to consider using eco-friendly paper boxes made from recycled materials. These boxes can be designed to showcase the bibingka, providing a protective and visually appealing packaging solution. So considering an eco-friendly paper boxes, meaning to maintain sustainability. Not just an ordinary paper box, but it is aesthetically designed, aesthetically edited so that it is desirable and more appealing in the customer's eyes. Storing products. To effectively store bibingka and maintain its quality, it is crucial to follow a series of careful steps. Allow it to cool completely before storage to prevent condensation and maintain its texture. Appropriate packaging such as eco-friendly paper boxes to protect the product from air, moisture, and contaminants. It has a short shelf with plastic to avoid moisture absorption and odors. Alternatively, for longer storage, consider freezing each piece individually using plastic wrap or aluminum foil and placing them in a freezer-safe container. Ensure proper labeling on each package, indicating the production date and any specific storage instructions. You have to store it away from foods with strong odors to prevent flavor transfer, and place it on a designated self-use or sell-order batches before newer ones. The last step is delivery, product delivery to customers. So our strategy is that by consolidating their orders through text messages, calls, or even online, they can also do pickups, and we can do meetups. We can also deliver through the use of food grab delivery, and additionally, customers have the option of walk-ins, given our location on Rizal Street or Moc City, to maintain a balance that ensures delivery quality without affecting on-site service. We have created a dedicated order collection area, effective separating on-the-site service from the delivery service. Customer will appreciate the speed of our delivery service. Most importantly, we have prepared the space and trained our staff to manage both efficiently. So these are the steps on how to do billing to customers. First, gather information such as their personal details, most especially the name, contact number, and their location. Next, creating an invoice. Third, review and approval. Okay, review just to do some confirmations if the informations are accurate. Fourth, delivery. The number 5, payment, of course. Next, follow up. Number 7, record keeping. And number 8, use billing software. So this study was created to give attribute to the farmers and fishermen so that they will connect to distribution centers and to make sure that their product will compete in the market efficiently and effectively.